you so much, my people. My name is Freedom Fighter, fearless as usual, Apo Witch. So I want to remind some other people, mostly our brothers from Central, Balaalo. Thank you so much. We like you. Not that we hate you. We don't hate you. We like you. We Northerners, we like you so much. But only one thing is that we don't like. Seriously. One thing that we don't like. When you made Acholi to grow annoyed, they will come traumatized. You will wake them from their dream that they have passed for 25 years. So they will be annoyed. The reasons being, why are they chasing you out of their land? Is this get notes very well? I'm an Acholi. Even I feel pity of you. Why are they chasing you away? But you are misusing our land. That's the reasons why actually leaders, they are wake up to chase you away. Not that they don't like you, they like you. But the only characters that they don't like is misusing their lands. And I'm just hearing some other people that are saying that they will start also reacting from the Central coming this side. They will react on Acholi, they will chase them away. Let me first tell you this. None of Acholi, they are rearing cattle in the Central. None of them. So, first, when you want to talk, want to say something, think twice before you think. None of Acholi is rearing animals from that side. For us, we are working there. I come from Northern and I'm so proud of my tribes, actually. There is no any tribalism in our culture. Yes, for us, we don't segregate. But we hate one thing, when you are misusing the source of incomes for our generations. When we allow one person to enter, tomorrow you will see more than 5 people. Instead of them are rearing cattle where they have been given them, they will trespass. And they will let their animals to eat the crops that we have grown in our gardens. And we don't want us to talk. You don't want us to talk. You are very full. I don't abuse anybody, but I'm just saying that you are very full and you are very stupid. You don't want us to talk on the wrong thing that you have done. Do you think that all of us we have cattle? Not only that, not only rearing cattle, but you came here. You bring your brother who doesn't have cattle to come and start cutting trees from the grass root to the tips. Do you think Acholi will be very happy of seeing such kind of misusable lands in their lands? My brother and sisters, it's fine, you can take any actions from Central. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care. Because we have already passed through a lot. 25 years. And Balaalo, let me tell you, for sure, you are not Bagandans. You are not Bagandans. Yes. You are from Rwanda. So you came here and you think that when you reach Kampala, and from Kampala you come here, you have been thinking that the Kampala is the only Uganda. You're very stupid, my dear. Very fake. Not that I abused you. I did not abuse you, but I just says. So thank you so much. Big up.